Hey traders, Jeff here from zentrader, and I'm going to do a video and basically just talk about the major themes that I see playing out over the next 4 weeks. And essentially, my message has been pretty much the same since July 15th to either be out of the markets or be short. And I added some more shorts today, and looking through the charts, there's no leadership out there in terms of momentum stocks. And I went through a list of like all the sectors out there, and they all look like this. They're all lower lows, higher lows, and a bounce back to right around the 10 or the 20-day moving average. The RSIs all look like they're rolling over. All the markets are so highly correlated right now. The only thing that stands out are gold, silver, and corn. The ETF corn. All the other charts out there look they're just bounces, and they don't give me the confidence to go ahead and buy anything long. And so I would say this is gold futures here, and silver's pullback in early August basically hit the 61.8% fib. So that could be it for silver could be off to 42, 44, heading back towards 50. I don't have a whole lot of confidence buying gold and silver right now either. At least not until the silver breaks above this high and gold makes a new high. At that point in time, I may get interested. But and for those of you wondering, this is the one of the Thinkorswim platforms that Ameritrade has. I've been playing around with it for the last week or so, and I'm really getting on board with what they've got going. They've got some new tools that are coming out, and I didn't even realize I could track the futures like this with the tools that Ameritrade has. Like, for example, here the Dow's down 62 in the after hours. And crude is forming this rising bearish wedge, which it's starting to break down, and I wouldn't be surprised to just see this slowly start to make its way back down towards these lows. I've been bearish on crude for a while now, and I think that crude's I think it's going to be in the 60s sometime over the next couple months. And that's signaling that there's a slowdown in the economy as well. And the few charts that I have that I want to show you, basically the NASDAQ is starting to roll over right at the 60 level. It's starting to make lower lows, and it's just under 50. This could pop up, but I just see this rolling over and more. I mean, basically the market has been very quiet. It's actually been fairly boring this week, and it's basically consolidating that huge move down. Volatility has kind of gone away from the markets, and if you're bearish, that's, in my opinion, that's exactly what you want to see. If this was the complete opposite and the market had this huge rally up, you'd want to see it pull back on light volume, and I haven't seen a whole lot of buying when it comes to the, let me see here, I don't have the volume up, but volume has not been heavy on the indexes. So where's the confidence that for the people who are buying this dip? It's not convincing to me, and I would just rather sit out. Here you've got the NASDAQ with the three major indexes here with the Keltner channels, and it's consolidating right underneath the middle Keltner channel, which is very bearish. It's the same thing as when the markets are rising. You want to see them consolidate above that. So, and then the last thing is the TSX. I wanted to point out, its volatility is picking up. The ADX is in a firm downtrend. So I see it's Toronto Stock Exchange. I see further weakness in that index as well.